to the home of Liverpool Football Club, comes from Anfield, and we're looking forward, Alan Smith and myself, Martin Tyler, to calling the shots for you.
Here is how Liverpool
The game today, Liverpool against Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Number 4, Virgil van Dijk.
And for top defending this season, you have to hand it to Liverpool.
Well, defending is an art, and sometimes a forgotten one in this day and age, but these lot haven't forgotten it, that's for sure.
Number 9, Roberto Firmino. Number 11, Mohamed Salah. And number 10, Sadio Mane.
This is the Liverpool side. Virgil van Dijk plays with Joel Matip as the centre-backs. Sadio Mane starts with Mohamed Salah in the wide positions. Only one up front in terms of an out-and-out forward.
Good luck.
And here is the way Wolves are set out for this vital fixture.
Different kind of approach from this side, I think. They will get men behind the ball, they will make it difficult for the opposition to score.
It's that old-fashioned art that's quite often ignored of defending, of just resolutely sitting in there and seeing what you can get on the break.
Pitch, as always, in very good order here at Anfield. It's a bit different behind the scenes, isn't it? New dressing rooms now and a different walkway out onto the surface than the one you used to make.
It is a bit different, yeah, but it still retains the special atmosphere inside Anfield. And do you know what, on big nights, particularly European ones, I can't think of another ground in England that creates quite so much noise.
Got the opposition backpedaling a little bit. Challenges for the ball. And that will be Liverpool's throw-in. Roberto Firmino. Fabinho. Jordan Henderson. The shot's on. The shot gets blocked. Coming up now, a corner. The ball's just deflected behind for that.
He's put in the corner.
Cleared away, well away from goal. Fabinho. And here's the shot. It's a fast start here.
They deserve that goal. They've been the better team early on. The goal from Roberto Firmino. What a first-time finish that is. Really did swing his boot at it.
Let's have another peek at that goal. Liverpool are leading now. Dendoncker.
Number 9, Roberto
Here's
Firmino.
Jota. Fabinho to Robertson. Good forward play from them. Shots on here.
That's straightforward enough for the goalkeeper. Good hands, but it would have been a surprise if he dropped it.
Yeah, kept his eye on the ball. Good handling from him.
Here's Bennett. Now Doherty. Building steadily here, keeping possession. João Moutinho. Here's Jota.
Trying to pick out someone in the centre.
Oh, that's good defending.
Can really get at the opposition here.
And that's good play by the defender, because had he messed up then, it would have cost a goal, I'm sure.
They've given it straight to the opposition. Excellent vision. Gone a little early there, I think. Flags up.
Yeah, a bit over-eager to get on the end of it. Defence squeezed, they knew they'd caught their man off.
Here's Bennett.
Gives it away.
Roberto Firmino. It's Salah now.
Henderson. Bit of space to go forward into with the ball. Good defensive clearance there.
João Moutinho. Into the attacking third. Here's the chance to get in the cross. He has cleared it well. Now Sadio Mane. Roberto Firmino.
Henderson. Every time you watch Liverpool, you expect them to score. They've done that, and half-time coming close. They're looking okay.
They're looking okay, but it's still very tight. The opposition, they're a dangerous team.
Jordan Henderson.
Henderson. Well, whether they're being forced back or whether they're just doing this as a tactic, it's hard to understand at the moment, because they're just saying, well, you throw your punches at us and we'll ride them.
He's got his shot off now. Well, Liverpool leading, but it's a pretty slender margin at this stage. We've got half-time coming up, and they want to get there with this lead still intact.
Going forward well.
Now they're looking to get forward from this position. It's a turnover of possession here.
Trying to get the cross in. Nearest defender blocked it.
Well, only 2 more minutes to be added on by the referee now.
Added time.
Fabinho. Fabinho. Firmino. Dangerous pass.
Well, they managed to dig themselves. Well, the referee has signalled for half-time, and it's 1-0 here. Well, the hosts are winning here, and they're winning well at half-time.
You would imagine so. I think for the manager, it's just a question of making sure everybody stays focused, switched on.
And the referee has blown, and the second half is now in progress. João Moutinho.
I think he saw the look from the other player and saw where the pass was going and read it.
It's Mane. Jordan Henderson. That's good support play from his teammates. Henderson. Short passes, but they're keeping the ball.
Now this is an interesting attack. And here's the shot. The ball's loose. Goalkeeper made the save, but he couldn't hold it.
To Robertson.
Put in from the wide area. It's not really away. Poor clearance.
Simple save for Rui Patricio. Cut out the pass.
Well, it's down to the referee to stop the play, and he's done that. Well, the injured player has gone off. We're going to get the game restarted with a drop ball. Substitution for Liverpool. We've given it straight to the opposition. Mohamed Salah. Shot on!
And it's been an hour of very good football here. We've still got 30 more minutes to go, and I'm sure we're going to enjoy that as well. Read the play well to intercept. There's good progress with this attack. Liverpool will get the throw.
Substitution for Liverpool.
Substitution now for Liverpool.
Number 14, Jordan Henderson. To be replaced by number 5, Jorginho Goles.
To Robertson. Firmino. Liverpool have got a new man ready to come on. Just a period of keeping the ball for the team that are winning the match. It's Salah now. Here's a chance to attack. Wijnaldum. Jorginho Wijnaldum. Cleared away by the defender. And it is a header away and out of play. And the manager, Alan, is making this change here. Substitution will take place.
He's played really well. He's a thorn in the side of those opposing defenders and took his goal really well.
Decision is a throw. It was a fair tackle. Sadio Mane. Spaced across the ball now. And that will be a goal kick. Just over quarter of an hour left on my watch. Did well, stuck out a foot and cut off the pass. Freshening it up, Liverpool, with the substitute now. The noise levels have gone up even more. And the scenario remains the same, the one-goal lead. And we're into the last 10 minutes.
By the way things are shaping up, it looks like the home team are going to see out this lead, but still a chance for things to change.
Just working away to try and find an opening. Now the shot! That's a good block. Throw in to come. Liverpool want to make a change here. For sure is a goal kick. It is Liverpool's day, it seems. Barring any late slip-ups, they have been the team in control. Great team play, Alan, this, isn't it? Everyone wants the ball.
Yeah, and I think the movement off the ball gives the man in possession 2 or 3 options every time.
Number 3, Firmino.
Cleared away, well away from goal. And the board shows 3 added minutes.
The referee has indicated there will be
Jorginho Wijnaldum looking to win it back. Spotted that well and intercepted. That's the final whistle from the referee. Liverpool have won. Is it a case of back to the drawing board after a defeat like this?
I think there were positives to take out of it, but the finishing wasn't quite up to scratch on the day when it mattered. Once or twice they snatched at chances.
Well, they have had such a great defence, the home side, and they've added to that quality with some real attacking skill today.
Yeah, really are gaining a reputation for their miserly record of goals conceded, and that was another example today.